Ayan guys, gagawa ako na maruya ba. Ayan, smash lang muna natin yung ating banana. Ayan. I use 2.5 banana guys. Ayan. Smash lang muna natin. Hanggang sa mapino siya guys. Okay. Ayan guys. Ayan, pinong-pino na siya. Okay. Pinong-pino na siya. Na-smash ko na ng maigi. Ito ay pang merienda namin ng aking alaga. Ayan. Okay na. Kuha na ako ng flour and sugar. Ayan guys. Lalagyan natin ng half cup of sugar. Vanilla essence. Ayan. At isang egg. Wait lang guys. Okay guys, we mix the egg. We need to beaten. Okay, we mix it together, the egg and the vanilla. And we need to add some ground cinnamon. 1 small spoon ground cinnamon. Ayun guys. Ayan, masarap siya. And then we mix 1 cup of flour. We need to add 1 cup of flour. This is for our merienda. Ayan guys. Okay, mix lang natin. Then after that, ipiprito na natin guys. Ganun lang siya. Mix lang muna natin. Ayan, ganyan lang siya simple guys. Gumawa ng merienda. Okay, we are done. Ready to fry na natin siya guys. Ito na yung mantika. Initin lang muna natin guys. Open natin yung fire. Ayan, pag mainit na, we start frying our maruya. Okay. Oh guys, not me. I will start to put our maruya. You know, this is our merienda for today. Supposed to be, it's not merienda now. The time is 7 o'clock. So, I think it's time to dinner time. But, ayan na siya. Antayin ko lang siyang mag-golden brown. And then, we eat. Me and Roro, we need to eat for the merienda time. Ayan na siya guys. Tingnan mo, ang lambot-lambot niya. Ang dami kasi nilagay na banana. Ayan na siya. Okay. It's done, baby girl. Ayan. Lagyan natin dito sa ating. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan. Patuluin natin yung kanyang mantika. Okay. This is it.
ما بصير ذبح لا انت بدك تسمع اخوانك احنا متقربين لا
ayan na guys kakain na kami ni Rayon pero mayroon pa siya yan, marami pa siya pamimigay ko mamaya. Ayan guys, oh, may 4 pa ako, may 6 ako dito sa halagang 2.5 na banana. I made 10 pieces, you see. Ito na guys, tikman ko na. Tingnan mo yung loob niya. Sige na. Guys, tingnan mo yung loob niya. Yummy.